Take both photo and video.
Good morning, everyone. The topic of my model is solar system and its planet. Solar system is like a big family in space. At the center is the sun shining bright and giving us light. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They revolve around the sun in full orbit. The flat above planet are Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. Venus is the hottest and brightest planet. Earth is called the blue planet. Mars is also called the red planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet among all the planets. Saturn is the only planet that has wind and is the most brighter planet. Venus is the coldest planet. Pluto is the farthest planet from the sun. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Jatush. Good morning, my name is Tom. The topic of our model is Combustion in deforestation. Deforestation is cutting down the trees for manage and agriculture to contribute to loss of water and climate change. Deforestation is preventing more and more trees to make the earth grow with the most of us water and shelter to the earth. Thank you.
Wait.
The topic of my model is floating egg. As we see there are two floating, one is mutation and the other is pure water. If we put egg in both the cups, we will see that egg goes down. In the pure water and in the salt water, the egg goes up. This shows that the salt water is heavier than the pure water. Thank you.
The name is first of the topic of our model is also the brain. Brain is the most important and delicate organ in the body. It is the main control center of the body. The three parts of the brain are cerebrum, cerebellum, the medulla oblongata. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It controls learning, thinking, talking. It also controls the function of sense organs. Cerebellum. It lies below the cerebrum. Cerebellum controls all voluntary movement of the body, like running, playing, moving hands. Medulla oblongata. It controls all the involuntary movement of the body, like heartbeat, digestion, breathing.
Good morning, my name is Exihibition. The topic of our model is water cycle. As we say in this bottle, it has less water means more air and more space, and more water means less air and less space. We can use water cycle for nutrition by the use of water present inside the bottle. My name is Sabino. The topic of our model information of the earth rotates about 8 axes. On every 24 hours, the cup of day and night is due to the rotating on 8 axes. When the part of the earth receives sunlight, it has the water, the other part is night. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kusuto. The topic of my model is germination of seed. Germination is the process of change of the seed to the cycle. First seed is sown in the soil, or it gets a water amount of the sun. Then the seed sprouts, and as cycline appears after some days, the cycline develops roots and a shoot. Finally, the baby plant grows and leaf appear. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Nutella. The topic of our model is types of plants. Plants are green in color and will say different types of members and groupers. Members firstly support dry and support grapes and money plants. Sugar plants cannot transfer and they run away. They drop example. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Combustion. The topic of my model is water cycle. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on above and below the earth's surface. One evaporation. When the sun hits the water from river, lakes, and ocean, it changes into water vapor. Two, condensation. Condensation is when the water vapor cools down in the sky and form tiny water droplets, creating clouds. Three, precipitation. Precipitation is when the fog becomes heavy and water falls back to the earth as rain snow. Four, collection. Collection is when rainwater gathers again from river, ponds, and ocean. In this way, the cycle starts again. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Shogun. The topic of our morning. The topic of our model is natural disaster drought and flood is caused by the sudden shaking of the earth's surface, which result in destruction, injuries, and therefore collapsing buildings. Drought.
Growth is scarce due to continuous period of dry weather. When an area receives less rain or little rainfall over months or even years.
Good morning, my name is Tita. The topic of our model is natural disaster, flood and wildfire. Flood is when land is covered with water. Floods are often caused by heavy rainfall. Flood can cause loss of land and damage to property. Wildfire destroys trees and plants, causing death and displacement of countless animals, which leads to soil erosion and air pollution. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Jessica. The topic of our model is agriculture house. Different houses are made of different materials. All type of houses are agriculture house. Agriculture houses are made of constructed modern and non-stable materials such as bricks, iron, cement, etc. Agriculture houses are made of basic and natural materials such as mud, straw, wood, etc.
Good morning, my name is Sarah. The topic of my model is Combustion. This model shows how it's living in reaction to one another living things. This is the main producer work that is focused on computer. This is by the occupation by the frog, eaten by the snake eaten by the eagle. Decomposer. When animals die, much will help nature start again. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sugar. The topic of my model is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of saving water. It involves the collection of water from surface and distributing and storing them. The water is normally this water is collected from the ocean and stored in the Good morning, my name is Susan. The topic of my model is life cycle of the fire. In this model, we will in the first stage by designing the in the second stage is the Tatilanko lava. In the third stage, we capitalize the in the first stage, Pupa open and Good morning, my name is Lily. The topic of our model is water filtering and filtration. If we put dirty water, all the dirty particles were entered in tables, charcoal, and sand. Most of the dirty particles are entered in cotton, and that's how we can clean water. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Lisa. The topic of our model is layers of atmosphere. The atmosphere is a mixture of many different surroundings. There are 5 types of layers of atmosphere. Troposphere. It is the layer of atmosphere closest to the Earth's surface. It contains water and gases, mainly oxygen and nitrogen, other than the second here. Stratosphere lies above the troposphere, about 30 kilometers deep. It is clear and bloodless. The upper part contains the ozone layer, which blocks harmful ultraviolet rays. Mesosphere is the coldest layer on the Earth. Here the atmosphere is very thin, transparent orbit in this layer. Exosphere is the outermost layer of the atmosphere and contains very little air. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Kevin. The topic of my model is permanency. Teeth help us to bite, chew, speak clearly, and give shape to our face. There are 4 kinds of teeth. Incisor. These are the 4 front teeth which help in biting the food. Canine. These are on either side of incisor which help in tearing the food. Premolar. These are broad shaped which help in crushing the food in pieces. There are 4 in each jaw. Molar. There are 6 in each jaw. There are the shortest teeth. The last molar is also called as wisdom teeth. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Susan. Good morning, my name is Susan. The topic of our model is respiratory system. Organs that have atmosphere with pipe and lungs. It takes air through our nostrils of our nose or sometimes air passes through the windpipe to lungs. In non-blood, there is oxygen that passes carbon dioxide of the group into the air through nose. Good morning, my name is Good morning, my name is Lisa. Of our model is organ. The 5 sense organs are eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin. Eyes help us to see, ear help us to hear, nose help us to smell, tongue help us to taste, skin help us to feel. Good morning, my name is Mithila. My name is Rebecca. The topic of our model is season. The type of season are winter, autumn, summer, and spring. During winter season, the weather remains very cold. Autumn in autumn season, fish are turning. Summer in summer season, the sun shines brightly. Spring, the weather is very pleasant in this season. There are flowers all around. Thank you. Good morning, the particles also are bigger than the topsoil. That's all. These particles are bigger and mostly contain sulfur. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Sibylle. Good morning, my name is Victoria. The topic of our model is parts of the plants. Flower is the most beautiful parts of the plant. Stem of the plants are leaves. The make for the plants is in sunlight. Roots. The root is the part that goes on the plant. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tabala. The topic of my model is formation of salt. Salt is form of tiny particle of rock area the surface of the earth was covered with rock. But the sun heated the rock and the wind made them cold, which continued for thousands of years. Due to such weather changes, the rocky surface began to drag and block into smaller pieces. These pieces later became fine due to action of air and water. In this process, the salt is formed after the salt formation. The tiny flakes started to drop.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rebecca. The topic of our model is human digestive system. Human digestive system starts from our mouth and ends in anus. The process begins from opening of mouth and swallowing of food. The food goes through the food pipe and passes to the stomach. The stomach, with its movement, breaks the nutrients in more simple form. The food in our stomach becomes like a thick soup and pass into small intestine. The small intestine goes for observation of the food, and undigested food goes into large intestine. The large and waste products are thrown out from the anus. Thus, that's how digestive system works in our human body. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Olivia and my name is Kusan. The topic of our model is how bacteria work. Bacteria has a positive and negative terminal. The positive is marked as plus and negative minus. If we connect positive plus and negative minus terminal, they like law. Good morning, my name is Maria. The topic is global warming. Global warming is the rise in temperature due to greenhouse gases cause of global warming and one burning of coal, oil and gas, deforestation, industrial pollution, smoke from vehicles. We can reduce global warming by saving nature, planting trees, and using clean energy.
Good morning. The topic of my model is earhead and burning. This model is to show that earhead and burning. For example, if we cover the burning candle with a cloth, the candle blows off after some time because there is no air inside the cloth. This shows that earhead and burning. Thank you.